Good morning, YouTube. Financial Freedom with Velvet here. I came out here because one of my subscribers wanted me to make a video about AppFlame, okay? So, let's get into the video. If you guys have ever downloaded games like AppStation, FitPlay, they're a lot like this app where you inside the app there's other games.
Bingo!
The payouts. Okay, it's for 5 cents, I believe, or 50 cents. You can get. You have to have 4,999 coins. For $1, you have to get 9,898 coins. I've cashed out twice from this app, and here's proof of that. Cashed out 2 days ago. Cashed out 3 days ago. So $2 altogether I've cashed out. And the reason I only cashed out $1 is because it's easy to get to, and I wanted to show you guys payment proof. So I've cashed out twice from this app. Going to be cashing out again soon. So yeah. But that's $1. If you want to get a 250, you gotta get to 24,253 coins. For $5, 47,065 coins. For $10, 93,988 coins. For 15, you gotta get 138,384. For 20, you gotta get 182,667, and so on and so forth. And there's all these gift cards, you guys. So you guys can look through those if you decide to join. And I'm gonna show you the referral code. So that would be my referral code right there. So you can share this via Facebook. You can share it, any way you want. But so far, these are the apps I've installed. Coin Master, I love that game. It's awesome. Words with Friends, I didn't really know how to play that game, so I uninstalled it. It was okay for like a few seconds, but I like Coin Master better. Get the most points from that. And it's my profile. If you guys need help or you need the questions answered, you can go. You just click on these 4 lines here. Well, 3 lines. And then you click on info and help, and it takes you here. And then you can answer. It answers all your questions if you have questions. Okay. But this is I signed up 5 days ago. I got points. And I got, points in Coin Master. As you can see, I've been getting a lot of points with Coin Master. Also, for those of you who don't know, there is a hack that you guys can use to get more points with AppFlame, with the apps that you choose from AppFlame. So I don't know if I made a separate video about this, but you guys can, what you do is you go to About Phone, you find something that says Build Number or software information. You click on Build Number maybe 5 or 6 times, however many times you need to open up developer options. Once you get developer options open, click on it, and then where it says Stay Awake, you click on this. And screen will never sleep while charging. Your phone will always stay on. and you just go to the game and leave it on. It'll stay on while your phone's charging. So, yeah. That's the hack that a lot of people are using, that you can use, turn and leave your phone on while you sleep at night. Rack up points. Trust me, everyone's using it. I'm not the only one. It's worked for me. I'm pretty sure it'll work for you. Sorry, you guys. Just try to use it. Coinmaster is the best app you can have on your phone, in my opinion. Just wanted to bring you guys on here and talk about that. Also, there is a app called Bubble Shooter that you can get paid for. I don't know if you guys have heard about this, but it's on you can get paid for the app Bubble Shooter. You can get points and cash out to PayPal. So, yeah. I don't know if that's something you guys would be interested in, but it's called Bubble Shooter on the Google Play Store. Download it, install it, and you can play it, and then you can get points, and those points you can redeem for cash. I love Bubble Shooter. It's fun. Another app you guys should install. I also have the Money app installed on my phone. I've cashed out one time. I'm waiting for another payment. Cashed out on October 17th. I'm waiting for another payment. So right now I've got 640. I've earned 642 credits. I have 1,531 credits right now. The total I've earned for this week is 11,477. Okay? Just figured I'd talk about this app while I'm on here. There's a ton of offers you guys can do. My recommendation is do LifeLock. This gives you your points, 48,750. That's a lot of points, you guys. A lot. You can cash out $20 with that. I believe, yeah. You can cash out $20, almost $50. But the thing is, LifeLock is $8, and once you could use it for 30 days, and then once you cancel it, you can get your $8 back. So, and it's worth it, because look how many points you get. But you do get your $8 back. Like if you cancel before the 30 days is up, you get your $8 back. So that's something to think about. And also, over here on Awesome, you have these other offers where you just install and get your points. So, yeah. Money app I installed before. I just never really went into depth with it. I didn't think it paid just because I didn't know how to use it. I didn't want to download any offers and all that. So I'm very, very, very thankful to one of my subscribers who made a video about it, and I joined under her, and I'm happy that I did. So thank you for that. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Leave a comment below. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I make other videos.